In this video we're going to turn a platinum 2-stroke pipe into a works pipe. Now before we get into this, I just want to say that this was kind of an experiment, and as you'll see, some of the methods didn't really work. Now the first method I tried was sandblasting, which I thought would remove the nickel plating pretty easy. As you can see here, it looks to have removed at least some of the plating, but after polishing it with a wire wheel, you can see that the nickel plating was still there. After repeating this process about 4 times, I started to get quite late, so I decided to call it a night. The next morning I ended up just grinding the nickel plating off, and this time it definitely worked. With the nickel plating finally removed, it was time to smooth out the grinds and polish up the pipe. Now the last step to getting that factory look is to heat all the joints and get those welds nice and blue. Just like that, you've got yourself a works pipe.